Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell stuff in Roblox and grow a garden. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top menu and press over here where it says sell. Then it's going to take you to the sell stuff right over here, the sell booth. And you just want to go ahead and press on the E key on your keyboard, just like so. Then it's going to go ahead and give you this menu over here. So you guys have multiple different options. So number one, you can sell everything that you have in your inventory, or you can go ahead and select one individual thing that you would like to sell, or you guys can go ahead and ask how much of a particular item is worth, or number four, you can go ahead and just cancel the sale if you don't want to do it anymore. So let's go ahead and actually sell our cauliflower over here. So let's go ahead and first test how much it's worth. So let's go ahead and press on that, and then there you go. It's going to let you know exactly how much money you actually get from whatever item you're trying to sell. And then once you decided that you want to sell it, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the number two option that says I want to sell this, just like so. And then there you go. You will now get some money. But remember guys, be careful because you don't accidentally want to sell your entire inventory. So number one is only if you want to sell everything that you have on your inventory. So please keep that in mind, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.